For questions 5 through 7, I'm trying to expand the logarithms. So looking at number 5, I have log of x raised to the 7th. So anytime you have a power on a variable on the inside of a logarithm, you're allowed to bring that power down to the main level. And that's using the power rule. So I'm bringing that down, and that's going to be 7 times log of x. And that'll be our answer. For 6, I have log base 2 of a times b squared. So I have two different things that I'm multiplying on the inside of a logarithm. And because of that, I'm allowed to expand it into an addition problem between two different logarithms. And that's because of the product rule. So I'm going to separate this into log base 2 of a plus log base 2 of b squared. Again, it's multiplication on the inside of one logarithm becomes addition on the outside between two logarithms. We're not quite done here. We're done with this term, but this term we can bring down that power. So I want to bring down that 2. And this will be log base 2 of a plus 2 log base 2 of b. And that will be our final answer. Looking at 7, I have ln of the cubed root of x. So I'm going to rewrite that cubed root as x to the 1/3 power. So again, saying the cubed root is the same thing as saying the 1/3 power. And I'm doing this because now I can use the power rule and bring down that 1/3. So this is going to be 1/3 ln of x. And that'll be my answer.